Good evening, nurses, and welcome to another episode of Get on Track. This is a video segment where we discuss important topics about nurse licensure process. This is Angeli from Tracker, and today is all about data flow. More than completing the data flow verification, it is important that you actually download the data flow report that comes with it as soon as you can. The Data Flow Group is an organization that ensures the veracity of an individual's academic, licensure, and employment credentials through Primary Source Verification, or PSV. PSV involves them directly contacting the source of the credential being verified. Trained representatives from the Data Flow Group email, call, or at times even personally visit the source just to make sure that the credential submitted by the individual is authentic. Though there are other organizations offering similar services, the Data Flow Group was the one that the healthcare boards of the Gulf countries have topped. The Data Flow Report is a digital, downloadable document that certifies the completion of Data Flow Group's verification of your credentials. This can be accessed in the Dataflow portal once they have finished the PSB. It is important to save multiple copies of this document in your various gadgets as soon as possible because of 3 reasons. First, requesting for a new copy of the report from the Dataflow group comes with a price. You only have 90 days from the issue date to be able to download the report for free. After 90 days, Dataflow will already charge $29 plus VAT for every instance that you downloaded. Second, the Dataflow report doesn't expire. So even if you've downloaded it much earlier, it is valid for an indefinite period of time, so you can always use it sometime in the future. Third, the Dataflow report can be used for your license application in other countries. As long as you have downloaded it and save it with you, you can always use it for licensure with other healthcare boards through the Dataflow Report Transfer Service. You'd be surprised that a lot of nurses forget about these 3 reasons, leading them to spend more on their license application than they should have. Avoid unwanted costs like this by allowing an expert to take care of your Dataflow report. Avail our services by leaving a message in any of our social media sites or contacting us through the numbers on your screen. Thank you, and I hope that this has been an educational session for you. Please like or follow our social media pages so that you're always well informed when it comes to overseas licensing. Good evening and see you next week.